TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets in positive territory. S&P's up about 10 points, trading at 33.29. Dow Jones up 35, trading at 29,230. NASDAQ up by 50 points, trading at 94.21. Gold contract off a bit, off $1. Actually flat now at 15.57. Oil, though, quite a negative day. The run continues to negative territory for oil, off $1.60 at $56.78. Notes, 10-year note, negative, as I say, now flat at 129.18. The 30-year bond up 9 ticks at 158.28. We'll start things off. Let's jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. You see the rise to higher territory overnight. Highs in the future market made it about 1 a.m. Eastern time. From there, we've trailed off a bit. You got the Dow trading 29,186. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different story, right up there near where we've been on the highs. The Dow getting dragged down a bit by Boeing. So that hitting that, not quite in the other indices. NASDAQ 100, 92.38. S&P 500, you see the run to higher prices, just off the highs we made at 10:30 a.m., 33.37. Quite a number, all-time record high in the S&Ps, currently trading 33.29. There's the slide from high prices yesterday. Crude, about 24 hours ago, at 1:15 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday, we're trading at 58.77. We're now more than $2 below that price level at 56.63. That slide began when the first patient of the coronavirus ID'd in the U.S. News coming out today, that is the news. China death rise to 17, heightening global alarm. Seems like that's hitting oil especially hard. Gold contract 15.57, and the euro-US dollar, pretty tame day in the currency market for euro and the dollar, 110.85. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, it is earnings season. Netflix shares, the headline is rising slightly, but that is last night. We'll pull up the chart in a moment. Netflix actually lower today on that number, and IBM shares, they are up today on their earnings. We'll pull it up, and there's your Boeing chart, down about 2.4% before we jump away. Netflix down 2.2%, we'll call it, and you see the spike all the way up, but lower we go, and IBM up about 3%, pairing some of their winnings. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up live with the Trader's Edge. Dave White at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour, and Tom O'Brien live at 3 from 3 till 4. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up right now.